Yo, something is blowing my mind today. If you are an Uber driver or a DoorDash driver or any type of ride share driver that receives a 1099, you are probably getting really screwed over on your taxes. Okay? I have my accounting degree. I've been doing tax prep for like 20 years, okay? I was preparing this client's taxes today, and there is a huge loophole in how Uber writes out their 1099s for their drivers. Okay, somehow they have figured out how to include the fees that they charge a driver in the total amount of gross income that is reported on the 1099. Okay? However, if you don't know that there is a whole amount of fees that never hit your bank account that you are paying taxes on if you don't enter this one particular amount into the Schedule C on your taxes, bro, these are the numbers real quick, okay? It was roughly $14,000 in Uber income, $5,000 in fees that were charged to that driver, okay? So roughly $9,000 of income. If you don't put that $5,000 in the expenses on the fees category, you are going to pay taxes on money you never received, okay? This stuff is crazy. It is blowing my mind. I don't know if I'm explaining it in a way that you can understand, because it's just, I'm going to do a long video about it. I'm going to do a long video about it and explain it. And man, I got to figure out how to put like the computer screen up here and show you guys, like with the mouse. How do you do that? That's the next thing I got to learn. But this is so crazy because I know there are so many people. I know there are so many people that don't know that they have to tell their tax preparer that they paid all these fees to Uber. And how is Uber able to, if Uber is reporting the fees that they charge their drivers as income for the drivers on their 1099, then doesn't that mean that Uber is not reporting that as income for their company? I feel like this is tax evasion at its finest. I got to do some more research on this. But anyway, regardless, if you have any questions, shout out. Let me know. Because this is just blowing my mind. And I know so many people are going to not know that they have to give this information to whoever's doing their taxes, their accountant, or even if they're doing it themselves online. TurboTax is not going to ask you, did you pay any fees out of the amount that's reported on your 1099? They don't ask stuff like that. You have to know that amount on the summary that you receive from Uber is, or any drive share program, is not really the amount that you made, bro. It's crazy. It's crazy. It's blowing my mind. Anyway, this is it. This is it for today. I procrastinated again all day, waited all day, so it's late, but it's okay, because I came and did it, and, yeah, what is this? I think streak number 8 again. I mean, really, it's like streak number 38, but a couple days got missed in there, so, all right, I guess that's it. Watch out for that full video. If you have any tax questions, let me know. Matter of fact, I'll do a video on tax questions if you have them. Let me know. I got 20 plus years experience. I have my accounting degree. Took extra elective classes in tax prep specifically. So, and like, I will get on these rabbit holes and just jump down them and look up all the new laws and articles and Like today, I was in forums. This is how I know this is so crazy. Because listen, I was in forums for tax questions, right? Online. There were so many people that realized that they were reported those fees as income, okay? So all these comments on all these different tax forms were saying, why am I paying taxes on money that never hit my bank account? And why is Uber reporting their fees in my total amount of gross income? Which I still don't understand how they can do that. They found a loophole or something, because that's crazy. Oh, hi, doggy. You scared me. Hi. You want to come say hi? Come here. Come here. You got to come up high. There you go. Oh, say hi, guys, dear. He wanted to come say hi. He's a nosy dog. He's been a bad little doggy today. I'm going to tell him you were a bad doggy. You were a bad doggy, and he knows it. So, you're heavy, dude. That's being a bad little doggy, eating all that human food. Oh, goodness. Here, you got to go. Okay, so, where was I at? Oh, yeah, so I was in these forums, right? And all these people were asking, why is this included in my total income on the 1099 that I received? But nowhere on that 1099 does it say that a huge amount of this income was fees that Uber charged me. There were tax accountants coming on and responding to them, telling them, don't worry about that. The fees aren't included in your total amount of income. But they weren't telling them that they needed to take that number of fees, that amount that Uber gives you, and put it on the Schedule C as an expense. They were just telling them, you're not going to pay it on there, but you are going to pay it on there. If you don't put that number in that one little tiny box, or you don't give that information to your tax preparer, and I guarantee you, I bet you 90% of tax preppers are not going to ask for this stuff. Tax preppers only use the official tax documents, the forms, the 1099. So it's just crazy to me that nowhere on that 1099 did it say $5,000 of this supposed income was never your income. It was a fee to operate this business. Anyway, I'm going to do a long video. I got to go. Love y'all. See ya.